No limits, no boundaries. Duolink Universal. Duolink Universal Adhesive Resin Cement is specifically formulated for cementation of all indirect restorations and provides the desired properties for universal cementation. Duolink Universal is the perfect fit for your office. Here are 5 reasons why you should try Duolink Universal today. 1. Universal for all cementation procedures and is also ideal for CAD/CAM restorations. 2. Highly radiopaque, easily identified on radiographs for quick and effective diagnosis. 3. Extremely easy cleanup, formulated for quick and easy removal of excess cement. 4. Aesthetic shades. Universal shade can be used for most restorations, while the milky white shade can be used to mask some darker tooth preparations. 5. Low film thickness for complete seating of any restoration. Duolink Universal is part of an adhesive cementation system designed to effectively address the cementation of all your indirect restorations for optimal performance and aesthetics, consisting of Duolink Universal, All Bond Universal, Z Prime Plus, and Porcelain Primer. Following shows the clinical procedure and recommended products for Zirconia restorations. 1. Sandblast the internal surface of the Zirconia restoration. 2. Try in to check for occlusion and fit. 3. Cover all bonded surfaces of the restoration with a layer of Zirclean. Allow 20 seconds for cleaning action. Rinse with pressurized water and air dry. 4. Apply 1 to 2 coats of Z Prime Plus, uniformly wetting the internal surface. Dry with an air syringe for 3 to 5 seconds. 5. Apply 2 coats of All Bond Universal on Dentin and Enamel. Air dry and light cure for at least 10 seconds. 6. Apply Duolink Universal to the restoration. 7. Seat the restoration. Tack cure, remove excess cement, and then fully light cure. Clinical procedure and recommended products for lithium disilicate restorations. 1. Apply 1 coat of porcelain primer to the hydrofluoric acid etched restoration, uniformly wetting the internal surface. Allow to dwell for 30 seconds. Dry with an air syringe 3 to 5 seconds. 2. Try in to check for occlusion and fit. Clean with phosphoric acid etchant or ethanol. 3. Apply 2 coats of All Bond Universal on Dentin and Enamel. Air dry and light cure for at least 10 seconds. 4. Apply Duolink Universal to the restoration. 5. Seat the restoration. Tack cure, remove excess cement, and then fully light cure. No limits, no boundaries. Duolink Universal. For more information, visit www.BISCO.com or contact a sales professional at 800-247-3368.